welcome back, welcome here, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all enjoying this festive season. So today my mom-in-law is making some ginger wine, which is a traditional thing that we do every year. It's basically one of those things that has to be present during Christmas in an Anglo-Indian home. So I thought I'll show you how it's done. So come along with me as I take you all into my mom-in-law's kitchen and show you how she prepares it and makes it every year for Christmas.
joy. Repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy.
I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more such videos. I'm hoping to post more videos as much as I can, at least before the 25th. So stay tuned and yeah, as always, live life and love life. I'll see you soon. Bye.